Did you know that eggs are one of the most affordable and nutrient-packed foods for seniors? Yet nearly 40% of older adults make simple mistakes that can turn this breakfast staple into a health risk. Eggs are rich in protein, B vitamins, and essential nutrients that support muscle strength and brain health. But how you handle, cook, and eat them matters more than you might think. In today's video, we'll reveal the 5 biggest egg mistakes seniors make, why they matter, and how you can enjoy eggs safely and deliciously for years to come. By the end, you'll have the confidence to make eggs a healthy highlight of your meals. Welcome back, friends. Eggs are a kitchen classic and a nutritional powerhouse, especially for seniors. They're quick to prepare, easy to chew, and packed with protein, making them ideal for maintaining muscle and energy as we age. But as our bodies change, so do our nutritional needs and sensitivities. Many older adults aren't aware that some common habits with eggs can actually do more harm than good, from food safety to cholesterol and beyond. Today, we'll walk through the 5 most common egg mistakes and how to avoid them, so you can keep enjoying eggs as a safe, satisfying part of your diet. Let's be honest, eggs seem simple, but there's a lot more to them than meets the eye. Many seniors unknowingly make mistakes with eggs that can affect everything from heart health to food safety. For example, you might love a runny yolk or store your eggs on the counter like your parents did. But these habits can increase your risk of illness or other health issues as you age. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals that support muscle strength, brain function, and overall health. However, as we age, our bodies become more vulnerable to certain risks, making it crucial to handle and consume eggs properly. One common mistake is eating undercooked or raw eggs. While runny yolks might be delicious, they can harbor harmful bacteria like Salmonella, which can cause severe foodborne illness in older adults with weakened immune systems. Ensuring eggs are fully cooked reduces this risk significantly. Another frequent error is improper storage. Unlike some older generations who kept eggs on the counter, modern food safety guidelines recommend refrigeration to slow bacterial growth and maintain freshness. Storing eggs in their original carton inside the fridge helps protect them from absorbing odors and prevents contamination. Portion control and cholesterol management are also important. Although eggs contain cholesterol, moderate consumption is generally safe for most seniors. However, eating too many eggs, especially alongside other high cholesterol foods, can impact heart health. Balancing egg intake with a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains is key. Additionally, cooking methods matter. Frying eggs in excessive butter or oil, or adding too much salt, can turn a healthy meal into one high in saturated fat and sodium, which can negatively affect blood pressure and cardiovascular health. Lastly, some seniors may develop new food sensitivities or allergies as they age. Paying attention to any adverse reactions after eating eggs, such as digestive discomfort or skin issues, and consulting a healthcare provider is essential. Whether it's how eggs are stored, cooked, or how many you eat, these little missteps can add up, impacting your heart, digestion, and overall well-being. By being mindful and making small adjustments, seniors can continue to enjoy eggs safely and reap their many nutritional benefits. Here are the 5 egg mistakes seniors should avoid, and what to do instead. Number 1. Eating undercooked or raw eggs. Raw or undercooked eggs can harbor harmful bacteria like Salmonella. While a younger, healthy adult might recover quickly from mild food poisoning, seniors often have weaker immune systems, making them more vulnerable to severe illness. Symptoms of Salmonella infection, such as vomiting, diarrhea, and fever, can be much more intense for older adults, sometimes leading to dehydration, hospitalization, or even life-threatening complications. To stay safe, always cook eggs until both the whites and yolks are firm. This means opting for hard-boiled, scrambled, or thoroughly cooked omelets. It's also wise to avoid homemade recipes that use raw eggs, such as mayonnaise, Caesar dressing, or some desserts like mousse or tiramisu. When in doubt, cook it through. 2. Ignoring cholesterol in portion sizes. Eggs are packed with nutrients, but they also contain cholesterol. For most people, moderate egg consumption is safe, but for seniors, especially those with heart disease, high cholesterol, or diabetes, eating too many eggs can raise blood cholesterol levels and increase cardiovascular risk. Experts generally recommend limiting egg intake to about 4 to 6 eggs per week, unless your healthcare provider suggests otherwise. Balance is crucial. Pair eggs with fiber-rich vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats like avocado or olive oil. This approach supports heart health and ensures you're getting a variety of nutrients in your diet. 3. Storing eggs improperly. Proper storage is essential for food safety and freshness. Eggs should always be kept in the refrigerator, not on the counter. The cold temperature slows the growth of bacteria and helps eggs last longer. Store eggs in their original carton, which not only protects them from absorbing strong odors and flavors from other foods, but also helps you keep track of the expiration date. Never use eggs that are cracked, as bacteria can enter through the shell, and always check the best buy date before use. If an egg looks or smells off, it's best to throw it out. When it comes to food safety, it's better to be safe than sorry. 4. Using too much added fat or salt. Eggs themselves are a healthy, low-calorie protein source, but how you prepare them makes a big difference. Frying eggs in butter or oil, or loading them with cheese, bacon, or salt, can quickly turn a nutritious meal into one that's high in saturated fat and sodium. Over time, this can raise your risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and stroke. Instead, try healthier cooking methods like poaching, boiling, or making veggie-packed omelets with minimal added fat. Use fresh herbs, spices, or a sprinkle of black pepper to enhance flavor without the extra salt or fat. These small changes can help you enjoy eggs as part of a heart-healthy diet. 5. Overlooking food allergies or sensitivities. As we age, our bodies can develop new sensitivities or allergies, even to foods we've eaten for decades. If you notice digestive upset, like bloating, cramps, or diarrhea, skin rashes, or even breathing difficulties after eating eggs, don't ignore these signs. It's important to talk to your doctor to rule out an egg allergy or intolerance. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to ongoing discomfort or more serious health problems. Listening to your body and seeking guidance ensures you can enjoy eggs safely or find suitable alternatives if needed. By being mindful of these 5 common mistakes, seniors can keep eggs a safe, nutritious, and enjoyable part of their diet, supporting health and vitality in the golden years. The most crucial mistake that seniors should avoid is eating undercooked or raw eggs. While it might seem harmless, after all, many of us grew up dipping toast into a soft, runny yolk or enjoying homemade recipes that call for raw eggs. The risks increase significantly as we age. For seniors, the immune system isn't as robust as it once was. This means that foodborne illnesses like those caused by Salmonella bacteria found in raw or undercooked eggs can be much more severe and difficult to recover from. What might cause a day or two of discomfort for a younger person, think mild stomach cramps or diarrhea, can quickly escalate into dehydration, high fever, or even life-threatening complications for older adults. In some cases, hospitalization is required, and recovery can take weeks instead of days. It's important to remember that Salmonella and other harmful bacteria aren't visible. You can't smell, taste, or see them in your eggs. That's why it's so vital to always cook eggs thoroughly. Make sure both the whites and yolks are firm. No runny yolks, no soft whites. This applies to scrambled eggs, omelets, hard-boiled eggs, and any dish that uses eggs as an ingredient. If a recipe calls for raw eggs, look for pasteurized eggs or egg products. which have been heat-treated to kill bacteria. This simple habit, cooking eggs all the way through, can make a world of difference for your health and peace of mind. It means you can continue to enjoy eggs as a delicious, nutritious part of your diet without worry. So the next time you're in the kitchen, remember, a few extra minutes of cooking is a small price to pay for safety, confidence, and continued good health. Let's recap. To keep eggs a healthy part of your diet, avoid eating them raw or undercooked. Watch your cholesterol and portion sizes, store them properly, limit added fats and salt, and pay attention to any new allergies or sensitivities. With these tips, you can enjoy all the benefits eggs have to offer without the risks. Remember, small changes can make a big difference for your health. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever made any of these egg mistakes, or do you have tips for cooking and enjoying eggs in a healthy way? Share your stories in the comments below. Your experience might help someone else make better choices. And if you're interested in more healthy eating tips, check out our next video on senior nutrition essentials. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new episode. Here's to your health, one egg at a time.